Hey guys, welcome to the Illusive design. So this is a 4x2 of a theatre designed for a smaller block. This is on like 480 square meter block. So I want to show you guys through. So we've got the master straight up, enough to fit a king in. We've extended and made the wardrobe quite a lot larger as a his and hers. And then coming through into the ensuite, we've actually widened this out all the way to the boundaries and redesigned it for them. So they're happy with having the toilet straight off, then a wider basin here with a couple little drawers there. And then we've removed along the glass for a walk-through shower with the freestanding bathtub behind. So they've actually upgraded all of the mixers and tapware, but left the standard basin. So coming through, got the massive rain shower with the shower head as well, and then you have what's called a 3/4 freestanding bathtub. So this is fixed against the back of the wall, and it's got a flexi tapware there, so you can actually pull her out, fill it in, and push it all the way back. We've got a soap niche which they've located here. Nice upgraded towel rail as well, so twin towel rail. Far out, I'm not forgetting how to talk English today. We're coming through the next section. We've got a little spare linen in here, a little storage section, and then into here we've got your garage. So we've actually got different lighting, but anyways, this actually has the epoxy flooring in it as well. So just to help cover the floors, real easy to clean and maintain. With a little roller at the back that goes to the backyard. Come on through, we'll go into the living area now. So a massive living and dining area, massive kitchen. Tucked in the back corner, accessible from the living area, is its own little theatre room. It's a little secluded room, especially if you want to have kids, you can put this as a little activity room. Many different ways to set this place up. And now into the living area, into the massive kitchen. So you've got, this used to be a freestanding, it's now attached. The island bench, they've done an undermount single basin, so it's an upgraded basin, sorry. Fucking up everything stuff. Overhead cupboards, you've got 28 course bulkhead, so it reduces any chance of dust build-up. Integrated range hoods, feature tiling, so you've got quite nice colours coming in, light colours as well. Some hot drawers that the clients have chosen as an upgrade. Little return here, which is for your pantry. Little scullery section, so you can put your microwaves and toaster and all that in here. Again, some more soft closing cupboards coming through. So now that we've done the kitchen, now it's going to go to straight away. This is your laundry. And we put a door in it, so then obviously you can tuck it away, close the door, and reduce the noise. And then you'll mind the bedroom. So we'll go with bedroom 3 over here. It's got built-in robes, separate toilet. And then the spare bathroom as well with the nib wall in it, just to help reduce that maintenance and cleaning glass. It's a pain in the ass over this. Bed 4, all the minor bedrooms will fit a queen bed with 1 or 2 side tables. All of them have built-in robes as well with mirrored robes. And we'll quickly tuck away back into bed 2 over here. Same thing. All the minor bedrooms are designed the same to fit those queen beds. With kids, if you want to just do a king single, happy days. But at least you know you've got the room there if you need it. So we'll come back and then we're going to go into the fresco. So I can show you guys having a larger block with a slightly more compact design allows for plenty of room in the backyard. I'll show you. There we go. And then coming through, what we're actually going to see, these clients are going to do their own paving or expose the agglerator, and then into the backyard. This has over 10.5 meters, I think it was, 11 meters nearly. Enormous room here, so you can put your pool, deck it out, plenty of room for dogs or for the kids, trampolines, whatever you want. So this is designed realistically for about a 15 by 22 meter block or 25, so 375 square block. This is on 480, so getting those smaller compact designs based on your lifestyle is what this is about. They wanted massive yards and they wanted room for a pool, so we smashed out an ideal home that they actually really enjoyed, but also keeping those real necessities, those wants and needs, make sure that they all fit within your budget.